All right, so if Photopea is not working for you, like it's not loading or stuck on a blank screen, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First thing you should check is your internet. Yeah, sounds basic, but Photopea is a browser tool, so if your connection is slow or unstable, it may not load properly. Try opening another website just to confirm everything is working fine. Next, just refresh the page. If that doesn't work, close your browser completely and reopen it. Sometimes the browser just gets stuck, and a simple restart actually fixes it, you know? If Photopea is still not working, go to your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. This removes old stored data that might be causing issues. After clearing it, restart your browser again and try opening Photopea. Now, this is important. Some browser extensions can block Photopea from loading properly. Try disabling extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, then refresh the page again. If it still doesn't work, open an incognito or private window and try again. This disables most extensions automatically, so it's a good quick test. Last step, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is just browser compatibility. Yeah, that's how you fix Photopea not working in most cases. Just follow these steps one by one, and it should start working again. All right,